Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Black+Decker 0.9 CU Fort portable washer and the Mini portable washing machine. In this video, we will dive into their features, capacities, and overall usability to help you choose the best option for your laundry needs. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Black+Decker portable washer offers a capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, which is suitable for small loads, while the Mini portable washing machine boasts an 11-liter capacity, making it ideal for quick washes of smaller items. However, the Black+Decker's larger capacity allows for more laundry to be done at once, which can be a significant advantage for users with more substantial laundry needs. In terms of features, the Black+Decker portable washer comes equipped with 5 wash cycles, including heavy and gentle options, providing versatility for different laundry types. On the other hand, the Mini portable washing machine focuses on portability and includes a spin function, which is useful for quickly drying delicate items. While the Black+Decker offers more washing options, the Mini's design is tailored for convenience and ease of use. When considering portability, the Black+Decker washer, while portable, weighs 44.1 pounds, which may be cumbersome for some users. In contrast, the Mini portable washing machine is ultra-portable, weighing only about 3.37 pounds and featuring a foldable design, making it perfect for travel and small living spaces. This significant difference in weight and design makes the Mini a more convenient option for those on the go. In conclusion, the Black+Decker portable washer offers a balance of features and capacity, making it suitable for more substantial laundry needs. Meanwhile, the Mini portable washing machine excels in portability, making it a great choice for travel and small spaces. Depending on your specific needs, either option could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.